Hello and welcome to Easy English. Are you ready to improve your English with simple and useful sentences? In today's lesson, we'll learn 25 essential English sentences that every beginner should know. Let's learn together, one sentence at a time. Book's introduction. These sentences are used in everyday conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking aloud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Let's get started. Good morning. How are you today? I am very happy to see you. What is your name? It is nice to meet you. I like learning English every day. I want to speak English fluently. Can you help me, please? Could you speak a little more slowly? I don't understand this sentence. Can you say that again, please? What does this word mean? I am learning English step by step. I make mistakes, but I keep trying. I enjoy reading simple English books. I watch English videos every day. I practice speaking English every day. I am feeling a little tired today. What are you doing right now? I am going to the market now. I need some water, please. It is a beautiful day today. I am ready to start my work. Thank you for your kind help. I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Take care. Great job. You have learned 25 essential English sentences today. Practice these sentences every day and try to use them in real conversations. Remember, speaking English becomes easier with regular practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.